much vendetta.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Get Cute with Pinky. Hello, how to do? Guys, I really missed you all. I know I've been MIA, but I was kind of caught up. But your girl is back with the videos, with the reviews, and I can't wait to produce more good content for you all. So guys, today I will be doing a video sponsored by Wequeen hair. Guys, I'm so excited about this video. It has been long overdue, and I hope you guys really like it. So let's get into it. Let's slay together and stay cute together, okay? So this is the box that the unit comes in, and let me tell you guys about shipping. It shipped super fast. I got this when I ordered it on a Monday and I got it like on the Thursday, so I have to say shipping with this company is really fast. This unit, I don't remember the cost. I will definitely put it down in the description bar, but it is quite affordable. And this is their Singalese braided wig. We call it rope twist in my country, but they call it Singalese twist, and I believe it's their 1B30 unit. I'll show you the wig a little bit after this. This is the wig cap. This is what I got in the box. And I also got some hair decors, which I really love. Guys, you know how long I wanted a pack of these. Definitely comes in handy. It also comes with this satin bag to put your wig in when you're not using it. And as you guys know, I really do appreciate these bags because they keep my units in good condition. Yeah. Also, I received this special, it's kind of like a gift card with instruction on how to win like a flat iron and some mink lashes. The instructions on it are to go to their Facebook page at Wequeen, and I guess send them a message, and the message should state gift. And then I guess that's how you would have a chance of winning the flat iron and the lashes on it. So guys, go over to Wequeen on Facebook and follow the instruction and see if you can win yourself a flat iron. So guys, also I got this instruction card in there on how to care the hair and curly hair instruction, raw hair bundle care. Yeah, this is just a card to tell you how to care the hair. And since this is a braided unit, I mean, this doesn't need any, I wouldn't say a lot of maintenance. You just put it on, take it off, and put it up. I don't think you have to do a lot of stuff with it. Let's get into the wig. Let's get into the unit. So it comes in on, well, with this little mesh over it. You guys know all hair comes with this thing on there. Let's put this box over there. And this is the unit, y'all. Look at this. Look at the color. Look at the color. It's giving me life. And the twist, they're very neat. This wig is neatly constructed. Look at it. It is so neatly constructed. I believe it is 13 by 4. This wig, let me tell you, it's 100% hand braided twist braids, cornrow ombre color, 13 by 4 wig unit. Number 1B30, and this is a 28-inch hand braided wig. It is the number 1B number 30 Singalese braided wig, and as I said in my country, we call these rope twists. And as you can see, this unit is true to length. When I put it on, I will definitely give you guys a length check so you guys can see how it's falling on me. And bear in mind, I'm 5'7", so it might be shorter on me because I'm tall, or it might be longer on you because you're shorter, whatever, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's darker in the root and gets lighter at the end. You can see the lace right here. I don't think you have to do much customization. The lace is not far from my skin tone, but it is a little bit darker. I'll just put a little foundation on the lace, not too much, and let's see how it meshes with my skin after that. Guys, this wig is neatly constructed. It comes with a little adjustable strap inside of it, and this is to help secure the unit on your head. It also comes with 3 clips, one on each side, left and right, and then one at the bottom. And then you do have these straps also, another set of adjustable straps that you can use to also secure the unit on your head. So guys, let's get into putting on this unit and slaying. So let's see how it looks on Mamacita's head. This unit is definitely snug, like it fits so snug on the head. I think you can actually wear this unit glueless. You don't have to use anything on there, but for me, I might use a little bit of these freeze spray on there. I don't know, depending on how I feel. When I cut the lace off and put everything together, then I will see how it's looking. But damn, baby, it's all body. Baby is body. Talk to me. And guys, a little tip. Please to make sure that your hair is flat underneath, because this is a braided wig and it has a lot of hair on the unit. So if your hair is not braided flat, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit puffy and you really don't want to look like cone head. So please make sure that your braid pattern on the hair is really flat, because the hair, as you can see, it has a little humps to it. It's a little, you know, it's not really flat. I guess because of the twist, because the twists, they're very soft. Baby, give a body. And okay, let me give you guys a little length check to make sure that you see how far it reaches. Let's talk about it. It's the magic. And I'm not gonna cut the lace on my head. I'm just gonna do it before. It comes with a little baby hair, not a lot, but mommy love baby hair because I was not born with any, so Mr. Chin gave me some and I really appreciate it. Wequeen, you really outdid yourself with this one, honestly, I love it. And guys, summer is coming. Summer is right around the corner. So I feel like units like these you'll definitely appreciate. Something that you don't have to keep on your head for days, you know. Because in the summer you get really hot and then the glue gets really tacky on your head front and it just don't look good. So I feel like this is one of them wigs that you can put on for the day, and when you reach home you take it off back. Yeah, like Wequeen, we did it. I'm gonna put it back onto my head. Put it onto my head. I don't know if the wig cap underneath it is gonna be too much. I'm not sure, but pretty much it's looking okay for the most part of it. Let's see. And guys, listen, I'm not gonna put any glue on this unit, none whatsoever. I feel like this wig is good without glue. Like, hello, you know, I can legit just secure this on my head with my clips and the adjustable straps, and listen, I'll be good. I'm good. Like, I don't need any glue on it. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's here. It's not going anywhere. And the hair just, listen. I appreciate this wig. Like, I really appreciate this wig. Thank you so much, Wequeen. Like, so guys, let's get into making the baby hair. I feel like I'm so cute right now. I can't stop smiling because this wig is just giving me yaddy. A summertime, if I even the beach we have to reach. What? A little bit of my got to be gel glue on there, and I'll be using mousse also, but I'm just using a little bit of this. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing properly. I'm using my little leg mirror. that this wig is laid, slayed, and ready to go. I didn't have to do a lot of work to this wig, and that is what I truly appreciate. Guys, as I said, I did my baby hair a little bit dramatic because me personally, I'm dramatic, so hello. Baby hair for match my personality. It works me nice. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna add my little beads and teeth here and there. But aren't you guys just loving this unit? Like, I know I am. And I'm definitely gonna hook you guys up. I'm gonna put all the information that you need to know about this unit in the description bar. And I can't stop saying shout out to Wequeen for hooking me up with this bomb ass wig. Wanna hear me? Thanks. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding my little hair ornaments to finish off this look. This is the final look. Parting it out so you guys can see. Looks on the side. Make them get upset. Sick of it. So yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of this video. As you can tell, I am totally in love with this unit. This unit is giving me all type of body, and summer is coming, ladies. I know you guys will definitely appreciate this unit. Listen, 1 2 3 and it's on your head. I did not glue down this unit, as y'all can tell. I just made my baby hair, and baby, I'm outside ready to slay, ready to kill at y'all summer and such. And guys, as I said, shipping on this unit was super fast, so order yours and you get it in 3 days time. Loving the construction of this unit. Like, I can't emphasize more. Like, this unit is everything. So as you all can tell, this wig is giving me summer vibes, you know. The color and everything is just, need a word. What is the word? It's just giving me vibes, nice vibes, good looks, you know. Baby hair on fleek, length and fleek. And guys, as I said, it's a 28-inch and it is true to length. I am 5'7" and it catch me below the butt, so yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. So this concludes this video, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments down below. And please remember to click the post notification bell at the top right hand of your screen. I'm out.